Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we will be concentrating on the four words animal, back, before, boy. So let's start with animal. Animal, an animal, land animal, sea animal, a wild animal, a small animal, flying animal. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on earth. They can run 70 miles per hour. Foxes are wild animals. You can see many animals in this forest. The elephant is the largest living land animal. Bat is a flying animal that flies at night. The blue whale is the largest sea animal. The second word is back, B-A-C-K, back. Call back, bring back, come back, get back, go back, sit back, right back, be right back, front or back. Why is Raj back home? Raj, he left his mobile phone. He came back to take it. Put your books back in your bag. My back is paining. Tia, can you rub my back? I need to take rest. How's your back? My back still hurts, but the pain is less. Why did you get up so early, Minnie? Go back to sleep. Put the car seat back, otherwise it will be difficult to sit. Put the car seat back, otherwise it will be difficult to sit. We will be right back. We will be back by 6:30. Before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Before or after, before or after. Before this, before that, before now, before you, before long, before bed, the day before yesterday. Keep your goal before you and keep working on it. Keep your goal before you and keep working on it. I'm sorry, Sam, I can't meet you before lunch. Can we meet before dinner? Have we met before? I feel I've seen you before. Have you tried the rasgullas in Jais? Yes, we tried it before. It's very tasty. Mama, I'm going down to play. Come back before 7 and drink a glass of milk before you go down. You must wash your hands before you eat anything. Will you eat before having bath or after having bath? I will eat before having bath. The next word is boy, B-O-Y, boy. A boy, a little boy, a baby boy, good boy. My boy means my son, a delivery boy. How old is your son? How old is your boy? My boy is 10 years old. Who's that boy? That boy is Ram. He is a good boy. He is a kind boy. He is a smart boy. He is a bright boy. He is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. He is a naughty boy. What did the boy say? Nothing much. All the boys ran away seeing the teacher. I didn't know those boys. How many boys are in this class? There are 25 boys in this class. So today we have completed with the 4 words: animal, back, before, boy. That's all in this video. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.